Check mic. All right. Let's go. Alright, magandang gabi ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to another episode of the Daily Grind. Kumusta ang weekends ninyo? Hopefully it is beautiful. Kasing ganda ng araw nating lahat ngayon. The market is a green day today. Let's talk about it in a bit. Magandang gabi. Let me just open our chat box. I want to see your chats here on my screen. While I'm doing this, please share this video. Paki-share po yung video to your friends, relatives, to your trading groups if you have any out there. Doon maraming newbies. Yan po yung target market natin. Hindi sub-market, but target audience. Yeah. Target audience. Target market kasi nasanay ako sa YouTube eh. Kasi pag YouTube, pag naggumagawa ka ng plan sa YouTube, part of it is gonna be your target market. Technically here, that's our target market. Yun yung target audience natin. The newbies out there. Mga newbies po sa mga groups ninyo, sana po ma-reach out natin sila, magabayan natin sila sa stock market journey nila, especially sa umpisa. Kasi yun yung pinaka-crucial. 70% of the newbie traders quit. Why? Because they lose. Because they don't know what they're doing. Sa umpisa, akala na madali lang. Pag naipit, pag napaso, ayaw na nila mag-continue. And that is the reason why we have one of the weakest markets in the world. And we want to change that through the daily grind dito sa Financial Freedom 101, especially Stock Said. So please share this video. Hopefully we've earned that request from you guys. Yan, paki-share po. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Good evening. Good evening, Ninyo, Craypax. Alright, magandang gabi. I mean just si Creja. Magandang gabi, Creja. Alright, let me go to the comments. Ayan nga pala. Update muna tayo sa market. Let me open PSEI. Show my screen right here. Alright, PSEI, a green day for PSEI. Another day that we broke MA20, bumaba pa rin sa MA20, but nag-green siya. But overall, net foreign selling po tayo, negative 461 million. That's, I'm sharing the wrong screen. Yan, ayos ko lang muna. So, background music tayo. I need to put in the right background music. Yun kasi pang NBA yun eh. Pang-hype yan sa impulsa, syempre. Diba? PSEI, green day today. Kaso nga lang, 500,000 po net foreign selling. That's to be understood. We were kind of expecting that after reaching the highs of the PSEI at yung previous high natin. We attempted to do breakout pero hindi nag-sustain at nag-reversal ang markets. Hopefully, umakyat ito ulit. Right? Umakyat ito ulit para maganda ulit ang market natin. But somehow, yan, kind of bearish pa rin. But it's okay. Overall, kahit na bearish na ito, that's just because toppish tayo. Di ba? But overall, our market is going on the right direction at the very least. So that is good. Hopefully, magtuloy-tuloy na. Doesn't mean naman kasi na toppish tayo, wala na magandang i-trade. Meron po magandang trades dyan pa rin. Like, yung mga nasa support pa, etc. Pag ganito lang ang market, you don't really have to be aggressive on your entries. Aggressive meaning may mga stocks na nagliliparan na, gusto niyo pa maghabol for the trend following trade. Medyo mahirap na yun because toppish na nga eh. Kapag ganito kasi, mas konti na pera pumapasok sa markets and usually yung mga nasa taas na hindi nagsusustain ka agad. So most probably your trades are gonna fail if that happens. Let me just adjust my audio pickup sa microphone. I think masyado malakas. I think that's good already. Dapat na sa yellow. Yan. Guess that's good, right? But yeah, one of the headlines natin ngayon dito, CME Holdings. Yan mga gusto kay dito. We already have a very big support today. 7.95%. Make that 8% growth for dito for today. That's an engulfing pattern, my ladies and gentlemen. Yan, engulfing pattern po yan. Pero hindi po ibig sabihin yan pasukin natin kaagad. Our previous call for dito is here, di ba? Kaya may linya dyan, tsaka may bilog dyan. We want dito to bounce and then pull back and create a support, especially sa mga long-term dyan kay dito. Right? Ito yung signal na dapat hinahanap ninyo. So, if ever mag-pull back siya and it will create a support at support right now is 5.09 right, sa 5. That's gonna be your entry point sa mga gustong mag long term for dito. If it goes further down, just buy more, right? For traders, kind of very aggressive pa to. Most probably, it will create a support first. We have a downtrend line right here. Tingnan natin if ma-break niya sa kanyo pasukin as a trader. This is good news for mga gusto mag long term kay dito, right? Bumili nga kayo pang long term kay dito sa 6, ngayon pa kaya 5 hindi kayo bibili, di ba? So that's a discount right there for you to be able to buy more stocks. Magandang gabi, we are now live at YouTube. Naayos ko na rin. Magandang gabi sa nanonood sa atin sa YouTube. Vincent Pascual, good evening. Sir Lloyd, Wealth Gainer, good evening. Magandang gabi, kamusta ang traders ninyo? Kamusta ang trades ninyo? Nano Joseph, let me go to the comments. Nga pala guys, pakishare po ito sa mga nanonood sa atin ngayon. Shoutout po sa 50,000 viewers natin. Right? Pakishare po. Please share this video so that more newbies will know that there's a program like this that can guide them in the stock market journey. So mga bago pa lang dyan, welcome to the Daily Grind where we talk about making money. Right? That's all about. It's all about making money, di ba? And Daily Grind. In general lang, we talk about making money here. In stock market, right? Money markets po, hindi lang po stock market. Doon lang ako kasi nakafocus talaga. But there are so many opportunities out there na pwede nyo parang pagkakidaan. Isa niyan si Axis, di ba? Majorly, we talk about stock market, trading stock market, money markets like Forex, cryptocurrency, NFTs, right? So I'm also exposed in NFTs, Axie Infinity. Marami pa iba dyan. Kung meron kayong nasagap na balita about income, etc., let me know. I'll do my research. I'll test it out for you guys and let you know what I can find in the future. Diba? So, but technically, let's make money, right? Yun nga, daily grind nga, diba? So, let's start the grind. Mag-thank you muna ako sa 174 stars. Brian Tonua, thank you so much, man. May pangkape na tayo. Let's go to comments. Nano Joseph, magandang gabi. Nickel. Right, let's go right into it. Chart na tayo. Nickel Asia. Right, Nickel Asia Corporation. Still downtrend, my friend. Meron tayong magandang support dito, but we don't want to go aggressive. Again, the market is kind of toppish, so medyo mas malaking chances for supports for your technical analysis to fail. So what you want to do is double your signal. Meaning, kailangan nyo pa ng second confirmation before kayo pumasok. Let's say, for example, nag-bounce na sa support, let it pull back. If it confirms the support again, and that is where you want to buy it. Because that is, anong tawag dyan? That is, sa supports kasi, the rule natin sa supports and resistances, di ba? The more we get together, the more, yun yung pumapasok ko. Ito yung mahirap pag may bata na right? Nag-LLS sa'yo sa yung mga, what do you call this? Yung mga nursery rhymes. The more times the price bounces at a price, the stronger that support is. That's the reason why nag-bounce na siya isang beses, let it bounce one more to make sure that is a strong support. So yeah, let it bounce at the support if you can get a confirmation. Especially this is still on a downtrend, my friend. So I will stay away from it for now. Alan Washalan, good evening. Nenyo Craypax, magandang gabi ulit. All day, sir. Let's check out all day. Pwede na ba makita ang chart nito? Ang hirap pa nito i-chart kasi very volatile pa rin to. Ooh, another stars. Let me just go down. I want to thank that guy. Jelerius, man. Thank you so much. All day. Still very hard to chart at this point. I would say okay na. Okay. We were may linya tayo dito. That was our support. Our call was pull back and bounce. Pwede itong bodigaan. If you want to trade this one out, our support is 0.68. Just cut loss below that just in case bumaba pa, but that's already a very good price for all day. Good find. This is from Prince Carl. Okay na to, man. Eugene Carlo Miguel, M-Wide SCC at Shell PH. Sir Lloyd, thank you. You're welcome, man. Let's go to M-Wide. Oh, sorry. Wrong spelling. M-Wide. Update nga pala ako. Alright, ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyo. I'm not a big fan of M-Wide anymore. Because of... Ito lang I've been stopping you guys from buying M-Wide. I was very transparent with you noon. Maganda ang si M-Wide because okay yung supports niya. The earnings were doing well. It was good. And that's the reason why I called a buy right here. Dito pa nga yun umakyat. bumaba, that's a double bottom, umakyat na naman, bumaba, sideways trade, I call the buy right here. Pero nung second quarter earnings were good. Hindi pala ito, hindi sa second quarter earnings, but yung scandal nila, yung news, right? That's the reason why I was bearish about it already. And that leaves a bad taste kasi sa mga investors. That's the reason why I was bearish kay M-Wide already. And there it is, bumaba nga si M-Wide. Sad to say, alright, magagawa nila yan. Sorry M-Wide, even though the company is good, they will have to do better to recover muna. M-Wide is not a buy for me. SCC, tingnan natin kung mag-bounce. Susunod na bounce, that will be your confirmation. That will be your buy for SCC, Shell PH, SHLPH, right? Shell PH, right? Sideways. Okay. Ano ba? Bearish pa siya overall. Mas mababa kasi yung closing niya ngayon compared to the previous support closing. But dito nagbabounce ang support niya. If you can get in at 21.04, that will be a very good trade. Pero short-term trade lang ito, ha? Hindi. I cannot recommend this for my system na position trade. Pero if you wanna short-term trade this one out, this bad boy, 21.04 po yung support ni Shell PH. Not a buy for me. Sir Lloyd, mark po at UBP, may tulak pa ba? Maganda kasi dividends nila. Usually, tapos na yan, pre. Mark, may tulak pa ba? I can't say, man. Hindi tayo manghuhula. But congratulations kay Mark Ventures. We called this before, breakout, kaya nga may bilog dyan. Kung mag-breakout si Mark, that will be a buy. And there it is, nag-breakout nga. May tulak pa ba? I can't say, man. I will say na kung take profits na nga dapat ito diba? In the short term, especially for Dave Viola. Congratulations, man. I know you've been winning here. Just react accordingly. Huwag mong pangunahan ng market. If it weakens, try to take profits. Hindi mo kasi alam ano mangyayari. Yes, the dividends is there, and that's the reason why you want to hold the other half. Let's say if ever meron pang natitirang play doon, you're still in the trade that way, diba? That's for Mark Ventures, UBP, Union Bank. That's not Union Bank, but I'm a big fan of Union Bank right now, man. I just couldn't tell you how easy it is in my banking na ngayon kay Union Bank. Sobrang ganda, and kaya lumalakas yung Union Bank. Ang ganda ng takbo ng banking nila. But it's already way up there. I don't want to trade it anymore for UBP. Yes, may dividends sila. 25% stock dividends. That means na if may 100 per 100 stocks, you get 25 more. This is big, man. Pero babagsak ang presyo dahil dito, ha. Most probably 20 to 25% din babagsak ng presyo niyan. So that's gonna flood the market with supply. I will say take profits na lang. Right? Just to make sure that you nakapag-take profits na kay whatever happens in the market. Chen Orlayes, good evening, sir. Check naman yung stocks related sa Metaverse, Unity Software, Roblox, MTTR, Nvidia. Thanks. Sure, let's check it out. I haven't made a review about Metaverse pa nga sa Meta. Unity, ano ba yung code ni Unity? Software, letter U lang. Taas ha. Grabe. Tech stocks, man. It just never ceases to amaze me yung tech stocks. The future, ito kasi future di ba? I still remember, kakasimula pa lang ng pandemic, I made a special episode about what investments ang maganda during the pandemic. I called out the tech stocks. Told you guys to enter the tech stocks because it is gonna make the pandemic. What do you call this? It will make the world go round still. Unlike yung mga pandemic noon na wala talaga kayo magagawa right now kahit nasa bahay. The power of internet, trabaho na nasa bahay na, pwede kayo mag-shopping kahit nasa bahay lang. So it made the world go around. I made a call for you guys to invest in tech. And here it is. Wala pa ring kupas na tech. Unity Software is way up there. Wait for the dips lang, pre, before you wanna trade this. Not my kind of trade. So Roblox. Kakalaro lang ni Laika kanina ng Roblox. So, Roblox Corporation, lumipad din. Whew, grabe. Not a buy right now. So it's way up there. MTTR, Matterport. No. Matterport? Not really sure if this is the one. Lakas eh. Lakas na. Nakalipad na to eh. Ganda ng triangle. I've been teaching you about the triangle. Breakout, that's a descending triangle. Bearish form right there. Pero, nung nag-breakout, that just negated the triangle and that was a buy right there. Ngayon, it's way up there. Another triangle form right here. MA20 bounce. Beautiful bounces on the MA20. Ngayon, nakalipad na po siya. Kaya mataas na. We're entering no buy zones already on RSI. So, esensya na, it's not a buy anymore. NVIDIA din lumipad. The tech stocks are already way up there. If you can see this, that's a bearish pattern. That's a bearish signal already. Pataas yung resistances natin. Pero the buying, you know that RSI, I've been teaching you a lot about RSI. You know that RSI will tell you the momentum of the buying and the selling. Pahina na yung momentum ng buying. Right? Pababa na yung RSI natin. So that's a bearish signal. Right? So, I will stay away from it. Dave Viola, sir, pwede po ba kay Converge? Pa-uptrend na po ba ulit? Converge? Maganda yung mga news lumalabas kay Converge. I can't say if it's pa-uptrend ulit. It broke MA20 all of a sudden. So, we are looking at a change of the trend after the uptrend after the breakout. Medyo may kamahalan na kasi si Converge. Yun yung problema ko sa kanya. It's kind of expensive already. If ever bumalik sa support to, if you want to go long-term kay Converge, that's going to be a good buy. For now, we are heavy on the downside. I will stay away from Converge for now. Lani, SM, please. Hindi kasi clear ang signal nito. That's why I don't want to trade that. If ever hindi kayo sure sa signals, stay away from it. Don't trade it lang. But if ever di mo tinrade tas lumipad, let it go. That's okay. You followed your trading plan. That's the right thing to do. Hindi mo naman kasi malalaman talaga. SM Investments, is this SMPH? No, not just SM. SM Investments Corporation, sideways yung support natin. That's a good buy right there if ever makabalik kayo sa support, near the support. Pwede nyo bodagahan yan, lakas ng support ni SM. So, nga lang, sakit nito ni SM bilhin eh. Ryan Tonua, once again, thank you for the stars, man. Jelerius, good evening, Sir Lloyd, SGP and Keeper. Sir, si Keeper at saka si SGP, very volatile pa. I cannot recommend them just yet. We don't have clear technical analysis for these short-term. So, yung pinakamaganda dito talaga is just the pullback and bounce kung gusto nyo i-trade. Nag-bounce siya kanina, so that could be a good signal, but not my kind of trade, man. Very volatile pa. I hate volatile trades. Unless you're a day trader, your volatility is gonna be your friend. Keeper, sakit ng pula. Stay away from it. Again, volatility, not my friend. Ani, BSC, Holcim, check. Sir Lloyd, thanks, man. Advance. This is from Alan, Washalan, Sherman. Let's check it out. Still 8:22, around 8:30 daan tayo sa YouTube Alright? Main kasi binabasa ko dito sa sa what do you call this? Sa Facebook. So dadaan ako sa YouTube, definitely. We'll go there. BSC, Ani, bearish pa. Still bearish signals for now for Ani. Stay away from it for now. Right? Bumabagsak pa rin. It's now playing inside the Bollinger Band. So, meaning that yung downside niya hindi na ganun kalakasan. But nonetheless, that's still a downtrend right there. So, I will stay away from Ani. BSC. Yeah, BSC broke MA20. And ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyo, pag nag-break na MA20, usually nag-change ng trend. And ang ginaging trend ngayon on short term is a lower low, lower highs. Downtrend po tayo ngayon for BSC. Stay away from it for now. Next up for BSC is Holcim. Alright, Holcim. Malapit na tayo sa support kay Holcim No signals just yet. Abangan lang natin. Next coming days, bisitahin natin ulit si Holcim. Tanong niyo ulit Jeric Lareñas, good evening, Sir Lloyd. Insights kay MM. Insights tuloy. Insights kay MM and Primex MM. That's a buy right there. Ladies and gentlemen, 2% gains for today. Definitely a buy. Cut loss lang below that line right there. Next kay MM is Primex. Medyo na-outshine si MM kaagad ni ni All Day. So Primex, eto, yung buy signals natin were here. So naglipad na si Primex. It's doing a pullback. So next bounce is gonna be your next support for Primex. Again, Jelieros, thank you for the 50 stars, man. Thank you so much. Alkisto, good evening. Henry Ordiales, SGP coach. Medyo, we talked about the SGP already. Sir, na-late lang. Ano ang about kay Dito po? Alright, kay Dito, we called it kay Dito. Alright, sabi ko sa inyo, kung mag-bounce man, pwede nyo pasukin aggressively for the mga investors. Pero what I usually wanna do is wait for it to stabilize. So this is an engulfing pattern on the Bollinger Bands. That's my first signal. Second signal ko po dyan is a pullback and bounce. Once it confirms the support, that's a buy right there. So let it pull back and bounce lang muna. Or dito, pa-check naman po si DMC. Let's check out DMC. Champion. DMC, triangle pattern still. Pag nag-breakout sa downtrend line niya, that is gonna be your entry point for DMC. Carl, Nico, good sir, Lloyd, good evening po. Insights po kay DMC, please. We covered it already. General sir, pwede po check how much ang equivalent ng dividends ng SGP po. May linabas na ba sila? Dividends nila, SGP? Right, meron pala. 0.20, right? 0.20 is how much of 12? 0.2 is what percent of 12? Current price niya kasi, di ba? No, 1506. $6.7%, not bad. Okay. Maganda yung ano niya. Maganda yung dividends niya. With the current price, if you get 0.2, not 0.02, but 0.2 is what percent of 1.33 pala. That was my bad. Wrong yung ano natin. 1.33%. If ever 4 times a year sila magbigay, that's around 4.5 around 5.2%, diba? 5.3 if I'm right or wrong. 5.3% annual if ever apat na beses sila magbigay. That's already very good actually. Pero yeah, let me move forward. Asa na tayo? Sir Lloyd, APL and BSC po. Let's check out APL and BSC. Sige, punta ako ng YouTube after this one. APL earnings negative 400%. That's bad right there. So baka bumagsak pa sa APL. BSC, that's not a buy. Wala tayong buy signal for APL, BSC. Wala rin. Downtrend pa tayo. So stay away from it. YouTube, magandang gabi. Alright, Edwin Castro, good evening. Rog Dahay, good evening Coach. Ash Baby, good evening then. Christian Hibo, good evening Sir Lloyd. Tama po ba Bollinger Bands trigger dito last time? Then today is bullish engulfing. Yes po. Today is a bullish engulfing kay dito, so we wanna wait for it to pull back and then confirm the support. That will be your confirmation for an entry. Good job for dito. Ryan Raon, good evening Sir Lloyd. Magandang gabi. Please check PXP. Thank you. Let's check out PXP. Final say sa Medic IPO, sir. Buy. Definitely buy. Alright, we made a video about Medic IPO, right? Kaso nga lang, cross your fingers if makakabili kayo kasi konti lang yung stocks na available. So, yeah. It's a buy, definitely. We covered that sa natin. Alam, mas okay pala manood sa YouTube kaysa sa Facebook, sabi ni Shai Borondia. Alam, mas okay pala manood dito sa YouTube. Yes! Mas okay manood sa YouTube. Mas marami nga lang tao sa Facebook. Kaya nakafocus ako sa Facebook. Mas malaki yung reach natin sa Facebook. But yeah, you can watch me in YouTube. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel yet, go to search Financial Freedom 101 sa YouTube. Ako ilalabas dyan. Then, follow me there and you can watch the live there if you want. Mas maganda kasi manood talaga sa YouTube. Saka may ad sa YouTube, so at least may revenue ako ng konti. Kahit kakapiranggot lang, natutuwa na rin ako kasi tinitingnan ko yung YouTube ko every month. At least may income tayo ng konti. Nasa siguro? $30 a month? At least may $30 ako a month sa YouTube. Right? So, meron ako banlibre kay baby, pambili na laruan. So, nakakatuwa pa rin. And I know this is a service and alright, I've been in YouTube for how many years already. maliit lang po ang target audience ko. Hindi po nagva-viral yung mga video ko. Kasi boring ang pera na topic. So, kukonti lang ng Pinoy ang mahilig talaga. Gusto talagang magsimula. Tsaka sa mga mahilig ng pera, yung mga newbies pa lang ang karamihan nanonood sa atin. So, hindi kalakihan yung sa YouTube. So, if you're watching on YouTube, thank you so much. Yung ads dyan, nakakatuwa pa rin kasi at least may passive income tayo ng konti sa YouTube. Right, the PXP support, that's a buy right there, man. Confirmation tayo ng support. Just cut loss below that. All in, final say sa Medic, that's a buy. Vincent Pascual, Sir, Cake USDT, and Sand USDT. Not really a big fan of the what do you call this, low cap coins. But what you wanna do is tignan niyo po si Bitcoin and ano ang pattern ni Bitcoin. Pumwesto kayo sa mga ganito kasi sumusunod kay Bitcoin to. After Bitcoin's rally, this usually follows. That is not a buy right there. Tignan nyo, nagda-downtrend sa Bitcoin. Si Cake USDT, nag-downtrend din. So, abangan nyo lang kung mag-change ng trend si Bitcoin, kung may buy signals kay Bitcoin, saka kayo pumasok dito. Sand USDT, let's still cover it for you. Sand USDT, same. Ito, iba. Right? We are at no buy zone sa RSI lang. Yun yung problema ko dito. Stay away from it. Nakalipad na po yan. Ang ganda ng technical analysis sa baba. Dapat sa baba tayo pumasok or this MA20 bounces. But right now, kahit na mag-bounce sa MA20, sobrang lakas na. So, I will stay away from that. Nakalipad na po yan. Ryan Dexter Rahon. By the way, 23.9%, 97 gains from Izanagi around 8 weeks. Thank you so much, Sir Lloyd. Crazy numbers right there, man. 24% in 8 weeks. 2 months, 24%. Galing, man. Congratulations, man. Congratulations. Enjoy your earnings. So speaking of Izanagi, let me plug this lang kasi libre to. This is part of our service to the public. I really wanna shout this out to everyone. Kasi araw-araw may mga bagong nanonood sa atin. We wanna let them know about Izanagi especially, right? Izanagi, sa mga nanonood dyan na bago, what is Izanagi? This is bot trading po. Meaning po ng bot trading, meron po tayong program na magte-trade para sa inyo ng automatic. Yan, automatic na yan. Meaning, pag na-set up na to, wala na kayong titignan, wala na kayong iisipin pa ang bot na magte-trade niyan. Kami nang po bahala mag-update kay bot, etc. with the take profits, etc. Automatic po yan. Yung nakikita nyo sa screen ngayon, this is from MyFX book. This is verified records po, meaning totoo po na record ito from XM. This is our main bot account, corporate account namin. This is already up 250%. Hindi ko na sabihin yung exact amount kasi sakit sa mata. But this started 11 months lang. January 18, 2021. Fast forward, November 17 po, 2021. No, November, last date natin, November 19. 247.59% po yung gains natin. Mind you, this is passive income. Wala kaming ginawa dito. This is the bot trading it. 250%. Okay? So, ang ganda. Tested na po itong bot na ito. Ito, verified. If you wanna know more about the bot, if marunong kayo tumingin ng bot, you will look for backtesting, right? Ano ba ang performance ng bot through the years, right? So, meron kaming video niyan. We invested in backtesting. That's the reason why I'm confident about Izanagi. It's because we poured in resources here. We poured in the best minds in the country para po sa bot na ito. And dyan po sa video description, if you wanna know more about Izanagi, andyan po. Ano magandang setting sa inyo? Past 5 years, magkano dapat ang kinikitain ninyo? Or 10 years, 15 years, what is your best drawdown settings? Ano maganda para sa inyo? Check it out. The best thing, hindi pa ako tapos. The best thing about Izanagi is this is for free. Wala pong bayad si Izanagi. Right? Kumikita kayo ng libre dito. Wala pong bayad dito. There is kind of a pay, pero hindi po para kay Izanagi yan. There is 500 pesos monthly po na pay kay, for this one. But that is for the VPS. VPS, yun po yung technically yung computer na naka-on ng 24/7 para po mag-trade ang account ninyo. Hindi nyo kailangan mag-on ng PC. Right? Yung computer na yun na babayaran nyo every month lang ng 500 pesos lang. Ang magbabayad, yun lang yung babayaran ninyo para automatic yung trade ng bots. Right? Sobrang sobrang ganda na po niyan. Right? The bot is for free. This is what you will get for free. Check out Izanagi. Kung gusto nyo po ng registration link, andyan sa video description. We have our accounts right here. Pinapakita namin sa inyo yan. This is our account kay Izanagi. This is already up 61%. Mas recent ito. July 9 pa lang po ito nagsisimula. July, August, September, October, November. 4 months. Right? 4 months. And it's already up 61%. Naka 50% settings ito. Right? So, 61% in 4 months. Crazy numbers. Scam lang ang pwede makatapat nito. Pero this is not scam. This is under XM and this is verified records po. So, check it out. Check it out, please. Izanagi, video description. Good evening, po, sir. Meron pala, Kenneth Roy Tan. Sir Lloyd, pa-check sa M-Wide. M-Wide, stay away lang muna. Nagda-downtrend pa. Meron kasing mga news na pangit kay M-Wide kaya bumabagsak. I will stay away from it. M16 TV. Sir, good evening. Pacific LTG. May incoming dividends. Yeah, if ever naman kasi hindi ganong kagandahan yung dividends, nag-gap up. Most probably, this is gonna be breaking out. Pag nag-break out, that's gonna be your buy. Right? And 0.6 at 10. That's big numbers right there. 0.6 is around 4%. Ito. Tama? Around 5%. Right? 5%. This is a good dividends right here for LTG. Nagbe-breakout siya ha. Bukas, pag nag-green ulit yan, that's gonna be a buy. Good find by M16. Rosario Rizal, AP, JFC, sir. Si AP, medyo nakalipad na to. Can still remember when we called AP dito. Downtrend na. Stay away from it for now. No buy signals. JFC also is toppish. Lower highs already. MA20 is there holding, pero I don't think this will still sustain. Toppish nga market, so I guess this is gonna be dropping. Stay away from it. I will call out JFC if ever may buy signal. Noong may buy signals tayo kaya may mga bilog dyan, yun yung sinabi natin na buy nyo sa JFC. Ngayon nakalipad na, wala na po tayong buy signals. Stay away from JFC. Josie M, good evening, Sir Lloyd. Thank you po. You're welcome. Happy to help. And let's move forward. Charles Ang, PHR po, Sir Lloyd. Thanks. Let's check out PHR. Maganda yung galaw ni PHR kanina. Yeah, so that's a buy already. We called out PHR already. Sabi ko sa inyo, pag nag-green yan, that's gonna be your buy signal. So dapat binili nyo na kanina, just cut loss below it. That's a buy for PHR. Ada, sir, Tom Ruaro. Let's check out Cardano. Iba naman yung takbo ni Ada kasi. So let's check out Ada. With Bitcoin going on a downtrend, nagda-downtrend din sa Ada. Engulfing pattern tayo dito. Possibly a support. Pero antayin nyo po mag-break ng downtrend before you wanna get in ADA. Joseph Nonat, tapos na po ba? Tapos na po si Dito, sir. Yeah, we covered Dito already. Let it pull back and bounce before you wanna get in. Catherine Caracas. Right? So, ang hirap basahin ng pangalan. Binabaliktad kasi. Yun yung mga maraming sinasaktan. Catherine, ayan. Hello, Sir Lloyd. Good evening po. Thank you for tagging your friend. Right, Catherine, magandang gabi. Joe Castillo, good evening, Sir Lloyd, GT Cap, and URC po. Saan na, babasahin ko talaga yung pangalan nyo dito eh. Kahit nabiliktarin nyo yan, babasahin ko pa rin yan. GT Cap, bearish, stay away from it. Ganda na support ni GT Cap. That was a good buy right there. Previous resistance for GT Cap is this one right here. At least man lang yung support na yan is sustaining. If you can get in near that, that's gonna be your buy entry. Alright, or MA20, then cut loss below lang. If you want to trade this one. URC po. URC. Let's check it out. Buy for URC. Downtrend line is here. So, kung gusto niyo po ng further confirmation, let it break out from the downtrend lines URC. Okay? But it's looking well already. Patrick Orpeza. Hello, Sir Lloyd. Good evening po. Thoughts about CRO token? Not really sure about CRO. CRO USDT. Haven't Sir, free webinar po sa mga nagwag-partner sa inyo. Available na po ba? Yes, it should be available. Gumawa na ako ng chat room natin sa Discord. For the Axie partners. By tomorrow, mafa-finalize ko to. Nga pala, sa mga nakipag-partner sa atin sa Axie, meron akong chat room sa Financial Freedom 101 sa Discord. Dito nag-uusap yung mga traders. Kaso nga lang hindi ko gaano active. But there are traders right here who are also active, who can help you if ever you have any questions. So if you wanna join our chat room, join this one. Copy ko lang yung invitation link andyan po sa video chat ko po sa inyo. Join my Discord link. Okay. So I am making a chat room a room for the partners natin. So just ask. I'm gonna be posting the dito. I'm gonna be posting the link link right here. This will be private for all the partners lang. So pasok lang muna kay Discord. I'm gonna be setting it up this week. So yep. Going back to the comments. Nancy Catilo, good evening Sir Lloyd, Meg and Mac po. Thanks. Speaking of partners, stop muna ako dito. Speaking of partners, congratulations po sa mga nakipag-partner sa atin sa Axie. Alright, medyo bumagal lang yung earnings natin for this week, last week, because nag-reset ang season. Meaning, yung mga high ranks natin ng mga players, bumaba na naman kasi nag-reset nga. And pag nasa baba ulit yung ranks kasi, mas maliit yung SLP yung kinikita. So, they will have to start to climb the ranks again before they will be efficient in their SLP mining ulit. So, sa mga nasenda namin na report, if ever may tanong kayo bakit mas maliit yung income ngayon, nag-reset kasi yung season, may bagong season na tayo, started at November 10, and then na-nerf pa yung mga karamihan ng axes natin, so mas mahina na, mas mahirap na umakyat ng climb. But that's okay pa rin, marunong pa rin maglaro yung mga tao, so we're still gonna be earning, don't worry. If you wanna partner up, if you wanna diversify into NFTs, Axie Infinity to be specific, and then ayaw nyo yung sakit ng ulo, I'm open to partnerships po. Send me a message sa Financial Freedom 101. Bigay ko po sa inyo yung arrangement. Ako na bahala magpatakbo ng pera ninyo. And you're gonna be receiving weekly reports from me. Every month po yung share profits natin sa mga scholars. Okay? So, napakaganda po nun kasi kumikita kayo at the same time, meron kayo natutulungan na scholar para kumita ng pera. Sobrang ganda po nung ganun na feeling. I use that as positive triggers po for the secret. Positive triggers po ng buhay ko. Tumulong. And sobrang ganda. I'm not expecting anything much in return, pero sobrang ganda ng mga blessings nang pumapasok because marami tayong tinutulungan. So if ever kaya nyo po, pwede po kayong makipag-partner sa akin. Pwede kayong kumita. Win-win po siya. Meron po tayong matulungan pa na iba. So send me a message if you want to partner up. Jeric, good evening Sir Lloyd. Ano indicator mo mas okay gamitin sa trend filter or to trend follow strategy? Salamat po. Bollinger Bands, MA20 bounces. And then breakouts. Nancy, Mac, ang question niya, Meg and Mac. Let's check out Meg. Right, si Mega World, ang dami kong bilog dito kasi those are buy signals. Nakalipad na. MA20 bounce was the best entry. Kaso nga lang medyo tagilid na ako sa entries na ito. Again, our market is toppish. So most probably hindi na rin mag-sustain ito. It's not a buy for me anymore. So Meg, Mac. Macro Asia, triangles right there. If ever mag-breakout, entry point po yan or use MA20 as your support for Macro Asia. Nakalipad rin yan. Isa rin yan sa mga kinol natin dito sa baba pa. Right, going to YouTube. Ayan. Tapos na tayo kay GT Cap. That is for, ganood muna ako sa, hindi, meron pa pala. Jao CM, good evening Sir Lloyd. Thank you, you're welcome. Moderna, boss. Hold lang ba? Try to take profits, man. Congratulations. Let me just check out the chart of Moderna. Kasi alam ko si Moderna lumipad na eh. And there it is. Lumipad na nga. That's a sell signal. If ever pumasok ka dito sa baba. Sell it and then buy more sa next na bounce. So pullback niya. If ever mag-pullback, man. That's a sell signal, my friend. Dice, good evening Sir Lloyd. Nood lang muna ako sa'yo. Post-trading muna ako. Need to study again. Medyo madami akong losses lately. Okay lang yan. It happens. That's very wise actually. If ever sunod-sunod yung losses niyo. Yung sinasabi ko, market is toppish kasi. Mas mahirap ang trades ngayon. Nagliliparan na yung mga position eh. What you wanna do is, gusto ko kasi nagtatoppish ang market. Bakit? Because the assets tend to go back and pwede ako marami na naman tayo mas positions mahahanap. So, be aggressive at the right time. That's also the strategy in the market. The market is toppish. You don't have to go aggressive right now. I love what you're doing. Break lang muna, and then pag bumaba ang market, then there will be opportunities once again. Saka tayo magtanim ulit, di ba? So, good job right there for Dice, Ash Baby, Sir Lloyd, MBT, and GT Cap. Let's check out Metro Bank, MBT. I've been cautioning you guys not to go aggressive in the market right now, di ba? MBT, bounce, that's a buy. GT Cap, good find dito. This is from Ash Baby. GT Cap, MA20, pero bearish na tayo. I mean, mas lower highs tayo for GT Cap. Hirap nito, pre. Previous resistance was right here. So, if ever makabalik dyan, that's gonna be your buy. Cut loss lang below that for GT Cap. Right, tapos na yan. Marco Joseph, boss, pasilip si BPI. Let's check out BPI. Broke MA20, so most probably tapos na yung trend niya. Bangan natin ulit to sa baba. Alright. Yoni Pioka, Asen coach. Asen naman, breakout or kung sa support siya bumalik, that's gonna be your entry points. Yun lang. Right. Sa ngayon, wala pa tayong signal for it. Vincent Ong, 129. Hi Sir Lloyd, SSI po. Let's check out SSI. Technical analysis lang to Earnings na SSI, not really that overwhelming. 5% lang. It's not really that strong. So that's the reason why we're not seeing the strong climb of SSI. It broke MA20, so most probably tapos na yung trend natin. There is a sideways support, but I don't want to go aggressive on this one. I cannot trade this. I don't want to trade this for now, especially with the earnings. So not a buy for me, man. That's for Vincent. Balik tayo sa YouTube. Balik tayo sa Facebook. Alright, Joe Castillo. Thank you po. You're welcome. Lang, may gabiin ninyo dihatanan. Alright, Lang is one of our scholars kasi. So, they're also watching us. And ngayon, sa mga nabigay nyo ninyo na trabaho kina Lang through the Axie partnership, Lang just sent me a message na gusto nyo magsimula kay Izanagi. So, at the very least, hindi lang sa Axie natin sila influence, but yeah, also through financial literacy. So, daming domino effect na positive yung ginagawa nyo na what they call this, na partnership sa Scholar, sa Axis talaga. So, thank you so much for it. I guess I'm able to read all the comments already. So, I guess we are gonna be ending early. Yan, nabasa natin lahat. So, again, Izanagi is already 150% gains na po. So, ang ganda. Right? So, hopefully mag-join kayo sa Izanagi. It's for free. Video about Izanagi, nasa video description. Andyan rin po yung registration link for Izanagi should you want to start. Right? I think nakalarga na yung last batch. Sino yung mga last na nag-register for Izanagi? Most probably puno na, di ba? So, we're gonna be starting a new batch once again. So, congratulations. Nagsisimula na dapat yung Izanagi ninyo today. Maybe tomorrow. I'm not really sure. But yeah, congratulations. Registration link is in the video description. Axie Infinity, if you wanna partner up, gusto nyo makapigay ng trabaho at kumikita kayo at the same time, Axie Infinity is hot right now. Di gaanong kalakihan ng investments, pero ang ganda ng returns. If you wanna partner up with me, nasa 5% a month, right? 4 to 5% a month po ang returns niya. That means it's 50% annual returns. Sobrang ganda na niyan. At least, di ba? Pag umakyat pa yung presyo ng SLP, mas tataas pa yan. So, if you wanna partner up, low risk, no, I won't call it low risk. High risk siya kasi it's a game. High risk, high reward din naman. So, kung kaya nyo po, yeah, you can give someone a job and at the same time, meron kayong kinikita. Send me a message to partner up with Axie Infinity. Dax Aseo, good evening Sir Lloyd. Tama po ba pag red days, puro watchlist lang muna? Yes po. Yun yung ginagawa ko pag topish ng market, pag bearish yung market, I don't really have to trade, right? I don't want to trade during those times. Antayin ko yung mga watchlist ko, right? Antayin ko mag-support, and once mag-support na yan, the market will stabilize also. That's where I start trading once again. Nakita nyo naman yun, kaya pa ang daming comments natin na nagtitik profits na ganito ganyan. It's because we're doing the position trading properly. Okay, thoughts po kay SSP. Thanks po. Let's check out SSP. Okay, may habol pa kasi. May humahabol pa. SSP. Pro USD pare. Sabi na Axel Capuno. Let's check it out. Downtrend. Lower lows. Bakit ba? Bakit may earnings? Maganda na may earnings third quarter. Divergence though is happening. So pag nag-green to, this could be a good buy. Pag nag-green yan, You can trade this one out. For short term ha. Maganda naman yung third quarter earnings niya for SSP. So yeah, that's good. How much po yung capital, sir, if ever mag-partner sa Axie? Hello, Rogin. Ayan, so Rogin is watching us right now. One of our scholars din, and co-caster of mine. So, magandang gabi, Rogin. Yung capital natin for Axie is around 60,000 pesos ngayon kasi bumaba na naman yung presyo ng mga Axie. So, 60,000 pesos. And, profits niyan is around 4 to 5%. Ayun na. With the current prices around 4 to 5% annual. I mean, hindi annual. 4 to 5% a monthly ng 60,000. Grabe na yun, no? So, ang sobrang ganda na nga kaya nun. So, yeah. More about it if you send me a message. So, dun ko i-send sa inyo yung proposal. Medyo informal lang naman kasi NFTs din naman to, di ba? So, but yeah. That's gonna be it for me this evening. Ayan. Rogin, medyo late ka na, pre. Patapos na tayo. Boss, FB, SMPH. Ito, may humabol pa, Vicente de Rojas. May oras pa naman tayo. Boss, FB, SMPH, GFC, DDMPR, GFC is not a buy. Ito si DDMPR, maganda. Nasa baba kasi ito DDMPR. Alright, starting to look up already. We've been calling a buy for DDMPR right here. Nagpo-pull back siya. Next bounce is gonna be your entry point or MA20. That's a buy right there. Good find. Si SMPH. SMPH medyo topish. Let it break out. FB, is this Facebook or San Miguel? Food and beverages. FB, that's a buy right there. FB na San Miguel, food and beverages. Support is right there. I want it to break out lang. Gusto nyo, since sideways naman yan, pa-breakoutin nyo muna bago nyo pasukin si FB. FB, SMPH, GFC, DDMPR. Yeah, we covered everything already. Right, so that's it for me this evening. Naksaseo, good PM Sir Lloyd, tama. Right, okay na. Just double check sa YouTube. I'll see you again tomorrow, okay? Again, the market is kind of topish, so konting ingat lang sa trade. You don't have to be aggressive. You can trade now, pero what I mean by not aggressive is huwag kayong maghahabol na nasa taas. If magta-trade man kayo, kung usually, kung bullish ang market, if 50,000 yung budget nyo kada trade, babaan nyo. Right? That's what I mean by lesser aggressiveness. Stay cash as much as possible right now since topish ang market and we're not in a bullish market just yet. I'll see you tomorrow, and as always, let's get rich together. Bye everyone. Don't forget to follow me dito sa StockSed and my personal page, Financial Freedom 101, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Ang dami pong guides doon sa YouTube channel natin, Financial Freedom 101. Bye everyone.